Obstetric hemorrhages or loss of blood during childbearing is one of the main causes of mortality, especially for mothers when giving birth. Save the Children, access to blood during emergencies is key to providing emergency obstetric care. We are therefore able to save lives by having blood being dropped by drones.
When we receive blood request, we inform zipline station by phone call. Then the suppliers needed the blood. After receiving it, we put it in a refrigerator set on 2 to 6 Celsius degree to preserve it.
Aje mfite ikibazo cyo mu nda, harimo imyanda mu nda. Bandera ibisenyeri byo kuvamo ndangije amaraso ava ari menshi cyane. Maze kunshiramo naho nabonye banyongera amaraso.
We see that airline drone have a better solution because it uses a very short time to save the patient.
Amaraso ni ingenzi cyane. Iyo naza kuba dahari mba naravuyemo umwuka.